assistant professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today in system of linear equations and matrices, I will teach you new topic, that is eigenvalue and eigenvectors. So in this topic, I will teach you how to find out the eigenvalues and its corresponding eigenvectors for a given matrix. So let's start. So here first of all we will see what is an eigenvalue and an eigenvector of a given matrix. Let A be a square matrix of order n. If there exists a non-zero column matrix X and scalar lambda such that Ax equals to lambda x, then lambda is called eigenvalue of matrix A, and a non-zero column matrix X is called an eigenvector corresponding to lambda. Now we will see example number 1 related to this topic. Find the eigenvalues and corresponding eigenvector for the given matrix A. The characteristic equation of a square matrix A of order 3 is given by lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equals to 0. So to find out this characteristic equation, we will find out the values of s1, s2 and s3. Where s1 is sum of principal diagonal elements of A, that is trace of the given matrix. So s1 equals to 8 plus 7 plus 3, which are the principal diagonal elements, and addition of these three elements is 18. S2 equals to sum of minus of principal diagonal elements of A. So we have a minor of it, that is 7 minus 4 minus 4 3. Then after minor of 7, that will be 8 2 2 3. And finally minor of 3, that is 8 minus 6 minus 6 7. Now we will find out these minors. So 7 into 3 21 minus 4 into minus 4 16, and 21 minus 16 is 5. Then after 8 into 3 is 24, minus 2 into 2 is 4, and 24 minus 4 is 20. Then after 8 into 7 is 56, minus 6 into minus 6, that is 36, and 56 minus 36 is 20. Now addition of these three numbers, that is 45. So the value of S2 is 45. Now we will find out S3. S3 equals to determinant of A. So that is determinant of given matrix. First element 8 and its minor is 7 3 is 21 minus 4 into minus 4 is 16. Then after for the second element minus 6. So minus minus plus, so it will become plus 6, and its minor is minus 6 into 3 minus 18. Then after minus 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8. So minus minus, that will become plus. So we have plus 8. Then after for the last element 2, minus 6 into minus 4 plus 24. Then after minus 14. Now we will simplify this result. 21 minus 16 is 5. 5 into 8 is 40. Minus 18 plus 8 is minus 10, and into 6, that is minus 16. 24 minus 14, that is 10. 10 into 2, that is 20. And 40 plus 20, that will be 60, and 60 minus 60 is 0. So determinant is S3 and its value is 0. Now the characteristic equation of a square matrix A of order 3 is given by lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equals to 0. Here we will put the values of s1, s2 and s3. So we have lambda cube, then after minus 18 lambda square plus 45 lambda, and as you know the value of s3 is 0. Now we will factorize this equation to find out the eigenvalues of the given matrix A. So taking lambda common, so into bracket we have lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45, that is equals to 0. Now we will factorize this quadratic equation, and its factor will be lambda minus 3 and lambda minus 15, and lambda will be as it is, and that is equals to 0. Now we will equate all these factors to 0, and from that we will be having eigenvalues of the matrix A. So we have lambda equals to 0, or lambda equals to 3, or lambda equals to 15. So eigenvalues of A are 0, 3 and 15. Now we will find eigenvectors corresponding to these eigenvalues. Now first of all we will find out an eigenvector for lambda equals to 0. So first of all we will find out A minus lambda I into x equals to 0. So subtracting lambda equals to 0 from the principal diagonal elements, we have the same matrix which is given to us. Along with this we have a column matrix x, y, z, and that is equals to null matrix. Now from here we will write down the system of equations. First equation is 8x minus 6y plus 2z equals to 0. Second equation is minus 6x plus 7y minus 4z equals to 0. Third equation is 2x minus 4y plus 3z equals to 0. Now this is a homogeneous system of linear equation, and homogeneous system of linear equation is always consistent and it has a trivial solution or a non-trivial solution. But as you know that the eigenvector is a non-zero vector, so this system of equation will have infinite solution or non-trivial solution. Now taking first two equations, you may take any two pair of equations to solve these system of linear equations. Here we are taking first two equations. First equation is 4x minus 3y plus z equals to 0. Second equation is 6x minus 7y plus 4z equals to 0. Now we will solve these two equations using Cramer's rule. So x upon determinant, which is made by the coefficients of y and z, that is minus 3, 1, minus 7, 4, and that is equals to minus y, divided by the determinant made by the coefficients of x and z, that is 4, 1, 6, 4, and that is equals to z upon determinant made by the coefficients of x and y, that is 4, minus 3, 6, minus 7. So we have x upon minus 3 into 4, minus 12, then after minus 7 into 1, minus 7, so minus minus plus, so we have minus 12 plus 7, so that is minus 5, and that is equals to minus y upon 4 into 4 is 16, then after minus 6 into 1 is 6, and 16 minus 6 is 10, that is equals to z upon 4 into minus 7, that is minus 28, minus 6 into minus 3, so minus minus plus, so it will become plus 18, minus 28 plus 18, answer is minus 10. Now multiplying this expression by 5, so we have x over minus 1, that is equals to y over minus 2, and that is equals to z over minus 2. And let's say this is equals to t1. So we have capital X equals to minus 1 into t1, so that is minus t1, y is minus 2 t1, and z is minus 2 t1. So taking t1 common, we have column matrix minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, and this is equals to t1 capital X1, where capital X1, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 is an eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 0. Now similarly we will repeat this process to find out the eigenvector for the remaining eigenvalues. Now for lambda equals to 3, a minus lambda I into x equals to 0. Now subtracting 3 from the principal diagonal elements, we have 8 minus 3, that is equals to 5, 7 minus 3, that is equals to 4, and 3 minus 3, that is equals to 0. The remaining entries will be as it is. Along this we have column matrix, that is a matrix of variables x, y, z, and that is equals to null matrix. Now we will write down the system of equation. So first equation is 5x minus 6y plus 2z equals to 0. Second equation is minus 6x plus 4y minus 4z equals to 0. And the third equation is 2x minus 4y plus 0z equals to 0. Again, this is a homogeneous system of linear equation, and now we will solve this homogeneous system of linear equation. Taking first two equations, 5x minus 6y plus 2z equals to 0, 3x minus 2y plus 2z equals to 0. Now solving these two equations by Cramer's rule, x upon determinant that is made by the coefficients of y and z, that is minus 6 2, minus 2 2. Then after minus y upon determinant, which is made by the coefficients of x and z, that is 5 2, 3 2, and that is equals to z upon determinant, which is made by the coefficients of x and y, that is 5 minus 6, 3 minus 2. So we have x upon, solving this determinant, minus 6 into 2 minus 12, minus 2 into 2 that is plus 4, minus 12 plus 4 that is minus 8, and that is equals to minus 5 upon 5 2s are 10, minus 2 3s are 6, 10 minus 6 is 4, and that is equals to z upon 5 into minus 2 minus 10, minus 3 into minus 6, so it will become plus 18, minus 10 plus 18 that is 8. Now multiplying this expression by 4, we have x upon minus 2 equals to y upon minus 1 equals to z upon 2. Now say this is equals to t2. So we have capital X equals to minus 2 t2 minus t2 and finally 2 t2. So taking t2 common, into bracket we have column matrix that is minus 2 minus 1 2. And say this is equals to x2, so this is equals to t2 x2, where x2 equals to minus 2 minus 1 2 is an eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 3. Now we will find out an eigenvector for lambda equals to 15. A minus lambda I x equals to 0. Subtracting 15 from the principal diagonal element, we have 8 minus 15 is minus 7. 7 minus 15 is minus 8, 3 minus 15 is minus 12, remaining entries will be as it is, and capital X is x, y, z, and that is equals to 0 matrix. Now we will write down the system of equation. First equation is minus 7x minus 6y plus 2z equals to 0. Second equation is minus 6x minus 8y minus 4z equals to 0. And the third equation is 2x minus 4y minus 12z equals to 0. Now we will solve this system of homogeneous linear equations. Taking first two equations, minus 7x minus 6y plus 2z equals to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 2z equals to 0. Now we have to solve this system of equations and we will apply Cramer rule. So we have x upon determinant, which is made by the coefficients of y and z, that is minus 6 2, 4 2. Then after minus y divided by determinant, which is made by the coefficients of x and z, that is minus 7 2, 3 2, and that is equals to z upon determinant, which is made by the coefficients of x and y, that is minus 7, minus 6, 3, 4. Now we have to solve these determinants. So we have x over minus 6 into 2 minus 12, minus 4 2 is 8, so minus 12 minus 8 that is minus 20. And this is equals to minus y upon minus 7 into 2 minus 14, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, so minus 14 minus 6 that is minus 20, and that is equals to z upon minus 7 into 4 that is minus 28, minus 3 into minus 6 that is plus 18, so minus 28 plus 18 that is minus 10. Now multiplying this expression by minus 10, we have x upon 2 equals to y upon minus 2 equals to z upon 1 equals to t3. So x equals to 2 t3, y equals to minus 2 t3, and z equals to 1 t3. So capital X equals to 2 t3 minus 2 t3, and taking t3 common, so we have into bracket column matrix that is 2 minus 2 1. And this is equals to t3 x3, where x3 is an eigenvector corresponding to lambda equals to 15. So in today's lecture we have discussed the definition of eigenvalue and eigenvector, and then after we have gone through one example in which we have seen how to find out the eigenvalues and corresponding eigenvectors for the given matrix. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next lecture.